Follow the steps on how to make an Islamic pattern like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. Press M and create a rectangle as the background. Remove the stroke. Then open the library and click Metal. Open the gradient panel. Fill in the color and arrange it like this. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Create a polygon shape. Set radius 50 and side 6. Set only stroke without fill. Set the stroke thickness. Select, right-click, transform and rotate. Set the angle to 30 degrees. Go to Object and make Pattern. Set the tile type to brick by column. Make sure the link is active. And adjust. Click Done. Press M and create a rectangle above it. Fill in the pattern that has been created. Change the opacity to overlay. Finished. You can add other ornaments above. Good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.